Villa living isn't just for the old, it's not just for the young, it's for those of us that want to experience life outside the four walls of our home. And that's exactly what Northbrook Villas offers here. Just outside your front door, we have the YMCA and Salomon Farms with 1.8 miles of walking trails, a weekly farmers market, and nature being brought to your front doorstep living this close to the city. The ever-growing Dupont and Pufferbelly trail system connect to major commercial networks, which house some of my favorite Northwest Fort Wayne restaurants. Think Black Canyon, Hideout 125, Casas, and so much more. So if you don't love cooking in your updated kitchen, you've got plenty of dining options. If you're looking for a low maintenance place to rest your head, but a community to keep your feet active, this could be the place for you. Call today to schedule your private tour.